Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Learning with ET. Today, we're going to learn the parts of the body in English. Hoy vamos a aprender las partes del cuerpo en inglés. Are you ready? Let's go. Ok, vamos a empezar desde el principio. Let's start from the top. Head. This is your head. Touch your head. Hair. This is your hair. What color is your hair? Eyes. These are your eyes. We use them to see. Ears. These are your ears. We use them to hear. Nose. This is your nose. Can you smell something? Mouth. This is your mouth. Say hello. Teeth. These are your teeth. Show me your smile. Now, let's move to the upper body. Neck. This is your neck. Shoulders. These are your shoulders. Let's roll them. Arms. These are your arms. Stretch them out. Elbows. These are your elbows. Hands. These are your hands. Fingers. These are your fingers. Can you count them? Now let's go down. Stomach. This is your stomach. Legs. These are your legs. Let's march. Knees. These are your knees. Feet. These are your feet. Toes. These are your toes. Wiggle them. Great job! Now let's play a quick game. I say a body part and you touch it. Bien, vamos a hacer un juego rápido. Voy a decir las partes del cuerpo y tú las tocas. Ahora, touch your nose. Very good. Touch your shoulders. That was great. Touch your toes. Touch your eyes. Touch your head. Great job, everyone. Now you know the part of the body in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Bye bye.